In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule email in Gmail. Scheduling lets you write a message when it's convenient for you and have it land in someone's inbox at a better time, like the start of their workday or after a holiday. It's built right into Gmail and takes just a moment to set up. First, open Gmail. You can do this in your browser or the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to send from, so the message goes out under the right address. Next, click Compose. This opens a new message window. Take a moment to write your email the way you want it to appear when it sends. Add your recipients, a clear subject line, and your message. If you have attachments or links, include them now, and give everything a quick proofread. The more complete your draft is before scheduling, the smoother things will go. Now look at the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Just to the right of it, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that small arrow next to Send to open the scheduling options. Instead of sending immediately, you'll see a menu that includes Schedule Send. Click Schedule Send. Gmail will show you a few convenient suggestions, such as tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. These are handy presets based on your current time. If one of those works for you, simply choose it. If you need a different moment, select Pick Date and Time. This opens a calendar and time picker so you can choose the exact day and the precise time you want your message to go out. Take a second to confirm the time is what you intend, including AM or PM. If you collaborate across regions, keep time zones in mind so your message arrives when your recipients are most likely to see it. When you've chosen the timing that fits, click Schedule Send to confirm. You'll see a brief confirmation letting you know it's scheduled. That's it. Your email is now queued and will send automatically at the time you selected. You don't need to keep your browser open or your computer on. Gmail takes care of delivery for you. To recap, open Gmail, click Compose, write your email, click the small arrow next to Send, choose Schedule Send, pick tomorrow morning or afternoon, or select Pick Date and Time, then click Schedule Send. With that, you've set your message to arrive exactly when it's most effective. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.